In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options of both Microsoft and Celia keyboards. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. This way you can access this section called System and Updates. When you're ready, choose Language and Input and tap on your keyboard. We'll start with Celia. Select it here. Tap on Input and manage all of those options however you want to by clicking on the switches next to the chosen ones. If you are using Microsoft though, click on it here. Tap on Typing section and manage all of those options the same way you would on Celia. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!